Guys, sadly, that Virgin A320 that's just come in, unfortunately, that's in from Manchester. So that won't be my ride back. She's due out to Manchester very soon. So, I'm on BA back to London. BA's bringing their 320 Neo in here. Yeah, British Airways is bringing their 320 Neo here. I'll say that again. Coming in here from Heathrow. Okay, also, I just see something on radar. What we got coming on approach, Jilly? You're joking. No, not another one. What, 7810? Air France 7810 coming into... You are bloody joking, mate. In from Paris. Wow, man. Oh my god. Oh, she's got to come in here, surely. She's got to come in here. She's got to come in on this runway. Oh, BA's in next. Well, after this 787. It must be, yeah, it must be why then. Must be, yeah. So I can...
500.
Oh, hang on, I can see it, Julie. I can see something. This better be it. This better be the number 7810.
400.
Oh, apparently the 787's doing the drop-off flights. So it's doing holiday flights into skiathos. So that's why they're doing big holiday flights into right now. Wow, man, I loved seeing this 787 in skiathos. Already two. One air France.
50.
Do a butter.
40.
Come on, do a butter.
20.
There she goes. Oh yeah, she's got to stop. She's got to stop. Oh wow, yeah, what a star. What a fucking star. Yes. Air France in from Paris. Thank you very much indeed.